beaucoup entendu parler Creole, so I'm very interested to see how far you got.
And they were teaching me to say "ça c'est pour ou." So that was my first run-in with that. And I'm like, oh, it sounds so cool. I want to go back home and learn it. It's nobody telling me what word for word what they said. How am I ever going to know what that means? I'm stuck in a plateau. I need help that I can't do myself. I appreciate that you guys are offering a resource that is not really in existence.
Why is there nothing?
Je me dis, I'm beaucoup entendu parler Creole, Tyler, so.
Yeah. Ou ka expliquer l'on façon que moun qui parle anglais tant que langue maman yo ka pi bien comprendre ki yon haïtien natif natal ka bat pour yo expliquer. To me, it opens up a whole new world.
We need it. It's a beautiful language, like you said. There's a lot to be offered.